What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm gonna go with our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.035, down about 0.39 on the day. Seeing market cap of 248 million, 24 volume 138 million. So with the structure of this wave C, I think we're going through an ending diagonal. So I think we just completed the wave 4 or the wave 3, pushed up in a wave 4, and basically what you're looking for is a wave A, B, C to bring us down to our target zone. As you can see, we're closing in on our target zone. When I was calling for price to come all the way back to the zone from up here, I was getting a lot of heat in the comments by keyboard warriors, and it does look like we're coming down to that price target. So this is what I'm looking at with this falling wedge. Come down, bounce off support, hit the top resistance of the wedge, drop down into our target zone before seeing a nice breakout. As you can see, money starting to flow back in on the 4-hour. Daily time frame, the indicators are resetting. The money flow is very low, just as it was down here before we broke out, and the RSI is coming back down to the bottom. Now, just because they're coming back down to the bottom doesn't promise a bounce, but looking at the fact that we have a nice 1-2 structure, wave 1 up, A, B, C into a 2, and then you'd be looking for continuation up in a 3. That's what I think is the likely scenario. As you can see, we're coming back down to our support that we've been covering on the channel. I talked about us coming down to 0.034, and that's exactly what is happening. So it's playing out as exactly as we've been predicting here on the channel, which we love to see. So now what I'm looking for is a ABC into this target zone. I don't think we're going to come all the way down to 0.021, but I definitely think we'll reach 0.031, which is the 50% retracement level. And basically what I'm looking at is we pushed up in a wave 1, pulled up in a 2 before exploding up in a wave 3. So good opportunity to DCA into a long-term HODL position, in my opinion. I have been adding to my HODL position to bring down my average price, as I do think we'll see a large breakout from this level. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. I do the majority of my trading here on Bitget, up to 8K in bonuses. Email me your sign up email, and I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit, you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. We're currently in a Bitcoin trade. Crypto news, members post their profits in here. As you can see, some of them are crushing it. HODL alt plays, and over 2,000 members chatting and talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, signals, all types of goodies. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.